So what's good, guys? Today we have a flight to catch. We're making pretty good time. I just need to find my gate. All right, what's good, guys? Today is a special day. I'm going back to one of my favoriteest countries I've ever been to. To start off, my name is Ignacio. If you're new to the channel, consider subscribing. I try to make some sort of travel vlog / montages, and I also post many pictures on Instagram. That's usually my main focus. If you want to, you can check me out at Nacho Travel. Drop a follow if you want. I'd greatly appreciate it. And shout out to Liz, my girlfriend, for honestly giving me this opportunity to just be there for this amount of time. And yeah, so let's get this show on the road. Now we're just gonna take this 14-hour plane ride. Alright, guys, finally made it after around 18 hours of flying and transitioning. Finally made it to FUKUOKA. But I'm really loving where she's living. There's like a place to just shoot around, and there's a goal over there, and yeah, it's a pretty cool place. In a minute, I'm gonna give you a little apartment tour because those seem pretty interesting. Alright, so this is where I'm probably going to be living for the next 3 months. So as you step in, there's a closet here for your shoes. So before you do anything, respect the culture, take your shoes off. There's a mat right there. Then here next we have the washer / kind of dryer.
It's not a dryer.
Oh, it's not a dryer, it's just a washer. And this is what the entrance looks like, just the hallway. As we slide by, there's the kitchen area. It's simple, but what more do you need? Then here's this area. There's the fridge, the microwave, some shelving. Here's the bathroom.
Yeah.
Let's look in there. So this is, from what I've seen, it's actually like a normal sized bathroom. It's not too small or too big, but usually the toilet area is about this small, just let enough leg room. Then here's the shower. So an interesting fact about the bathroom, it also acts as a dryer for your clothes. So here's the controls. It's meant to really dry the whole bathroom itself from being so humid and stuff after you shower, but you can also use it to dry clothes. And there's a vent up there. I like these apartments. They always seem pretty cozy and everything. And now it's stepping into the living area. Is one big room. So to your right you have the bed with some storage underneath. So something else that's pretty cool that comes with the apartment is this doorbell system. It has a screen, so if somebody rings the doorbell, you can see who's out there. So just in case you don't want to answer the door, and then you can also speak to them. And then, oh, is that a visitor? Hello. And yeah, that's pretty cool. Then you have all my crap. Then you have me, fresh off the plane. Here's some art. A desk, little steps, TV area, closets, pretty big, and then She actually has a little garden out in the back. Like, what more do you want? With a nice view out there. But yeah, this is pretty much it. I don't know if I'd say a typical Japanese apartment, but usually they're like about the same type of concept, small, minimalist, trying to save them, make use of the most space as possible. And alright, so I guess stay tuned for the next vlogs. Who knows what kind of stuff I'm gonna bring, and yeah, I'll see y'all later. Peace.